Hello everyone and welcome back to Erica Cruz TV. Yeah. Today I'm going to be doing decoration for my son's birthday. I've started with blowing the balloon already. You can see I have different color. So I'm still going to be blowing it. Can you pass me that? So I have my balloon. I have the tape arc where the balloon will be going, and I have the tape. So I'm going to show you step by step after blowing the balloon. See you soon and keep watching. Now I've got a lot of balloons with me. I've got this blue transparent one, red camel, green camel, blue camel, yellow camel, and I've got lighter blue, I've got white, I've got different colors. So I'm going to start arranging them inside the arc now. So this is the balloon arc. There is a hoop in it. If you can see it, can you move the camera closer to me please? So you can see the hoop. So that is where the balloon will be going. So I'm going to show you as I put the balloon inside it. Is it showing? Now I'm going to be putting the balloon in the hole. Make sure the tie parts. Can you move the camera closer so they can see what I'm talking about? Look at where I tie the balloon. And I'll move it down. Can you see it? So let me move another one into the hole. I'm not leaving space in between the hole. I'm just following the next one. But if it's too big, you can leave one space. You can skip one space and put it in on the next one. So I've put it in the second one as well, and I move it in the small parts of the hoop. So can you see? So you can see. So I'm going to arrange it the shape I want, but I haven't finished it. I still have more string because this is 5 liter arc. So I'm going to put all the balloons, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange them after putting everything in. And you can see it at the moment. It's coming out beautiful. Okay. Now, after everything, I want to stick the balloon to the top. So I'm going to stick it here and stick the sides to the wall. So I finished with the balloon decoration. I hope I try. It's all for my son's 10 years birthday. Happy birthday. The balloon. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next video. See you next time. Goodbye.